Welcome to New Mobile, your go-to source for the latest smartphone insights. Today, we're diving into the Tecno Spark 30 Pro, a budget-friendly device packed with impressive features. Let's see what it has to offer. Design and display. The Tecno Spark 30 Pro boasts a sleek design with a glossy finish that gives it a premium look. It features a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, offering smooth scrolling and vibrant colors. The slim bezels enhance the viewing experience, making it great for media consumption and gaming. Performance and software. Under the hood, the Spark 30 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 processor, ensuring smooth multitasking and gaming. It comes with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, giving users plenty of space for apps and files. Running on iOS 13 based on Android 13, it brings a user-friendly interface with useful customizations. Camera system. The 50-megapixels AI dual camera setup on the back delivers sharp and detailed images in various lighting conditions. The 32-megapixels front camera ensures high-quality selfies with AI enhancements. With features like Super Night Mode and HDR, the Spark 30 Pro captures impressive photos, even in low light. Battery and charging. A 5000 mAh battery powers the Spark 30 Pro, providing all-day usage without worries. It supports 33W fast charging, allowing you to quickly power up when needed. Battery optimization features further enhance efficiency, ensuring longer screen time. Additional features. This device includes an in-display fingerprint scanner for quick unlocking and dual stereo speakers for an immersive audio experience. It also supports 4G connectivity, NFC, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, making it a well-rounded option for budget-conscious users. Final thoughts. The Tecno Spark 30 Pro stands out in the budget segment with its AMOLED display, strong performance, and solid camera setup. If you're looking for an affordable smartphone with premium features, this could be a great choice. Stay tuned to New Mobile for more reviews and comparisons. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates.